I'm Bruno Riccio. I teach cultural anthropology and anthropology of migration at the University of Bologna. And concerning the course of today, I started with a general introduction to the anthropological approach to migration, focusing mainly on the keywords of the anthropological language towards migratory processes. Therefore, an attention towards social change, ethnic and social and kin relationships, connection between sending and receiving context, urban and rural, as well as transnational context, the reading of diversity and a sophisticated way of thinking about diversity within multicultural setting, and this with the aim of introducing the cultures of migration that developed within context of origin. And after a pause and discussion with the participants, we looked at a reportage done by Jenny Maggi and Damsar from the University of Genève on the migration scene from Senegal. And this was a spur for a general discussion on ambivalent representation of Europe, of the state, of work, and of migration itself seen from the sending context. This is thus a springboard for the final section where we will be focusing on migrant associations and the potentials of co-development, looking also at the dark side of these projects and discussing critically what are the downfall or the pitfall of this kind of project as much as the opportunities. And at the end, we will see how some critical instances we found within development can be found in general in the policies applied towards migration. The question of representation, the question of expectations, and sometimes the neoliberal agenda which dictates what is good and what is bad in implementing this kind of projects, and how people, professional as much as beneficiaries of this kind of projects, tend to situate themselves within this scenario. Basically, at the end, I will be working also with what comes directly from the thoughts and remarks of the participants.